Hello friends, I'm Ehsan from ebangaloreproperty.com, and this is a very prime property in Wilson Garden, Central Bangalore. If you are working in City Market, JC Road or Central Bangalore area, Richmond Town, this property is very much suitable. Close access, metro is coming up now on Banagatta Road. Shantinagar is there, Shantinagar bus stand. So very good location. This property is east facing 30-50,500 square feet of land area. Ground floor 3 BHK, first floor 3 BHK. On second floor terrace with 1 bedroom and bathroom. 2 separate families can stay in this. This is the typical floor. All the units are occupied, so I'm just showing you one typical floor for your reference. For a detailed understanding, you have to visit personally. If you like this area and the specifications and the cost of the property, you can call and plan a site visit. Marble flooring, pillar based construction, 3 bedroom, 2 bathrooms per floor. So this is the 1 bedroom. Owner built property for self living, self use. External proper staircase is there, and behind this side the staircase is there in case if you want to link the ground floor and first floor as a duplex, so this staircase can be used. So that was first bedroom. This is second bedroom. Inbuilt cot, floor level with podium type design, wardrobe. One common bathroom is there and one attached bathroom is there, which is this one. It's a two-way bathroom. 2 bedrooms have attached bathroom sharing the same toilet with 2 doors. Anti-skid flooring, premium quality branded fitting Jaguar Hinware. It's a Ekhata site. This is the third bedroom. Ground floor and first floor units have slight differences. The photo slideshow what you are looking at was first floor. This video is ground floor. Slight difference is there. First floor unit has a proper puja room. Overall same plan. This is kitchen. Fully modular kitchen. Storeroom. Property has Kaveri water supply. For this 10,000 liters storage sump and 5,000 liters overhead tank is made. So this is modular kitchen and common bathroom here. In this video, partly ground floor as well as part of the first floor is shown. This is the utility space. And this is the terrace area. Terrace also covered and canopy is there. Flooring is done. Matte finish flooring. And you can see 1 bedroom and common bathroom. Laundry space. This property is suitable for those especially looking in Central Bangalore area. Good connectivity to all the places. 2 separate families can stay together. 2 brothers, if you want to share the same building. So that kind of concept this building has been made by the owner. This is the common bathroom on the terrace. So this is the first floor entrance from the eastern side, road side. There's a balcony, gallery and staircase. This is the first floor actually. Proper puja room is also there. Please read the description for complete details. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe our channel for latest properties.